my setup in Lenovo laptop, which has UEFI in use, and for that GPT partition table. Anti-X Linux is controlling boot via FE partition /dev/SDA3. FreeBSD was installed first, and it did not make FE partition, because in Lenovo has hybrid BIOS, and I did not force to FreeBSD to use UEFI mode, so the installation has made in BIOS mode, CMS. For getting FreeBSD to boot in UEFI mode, I added it to antiX's /etc/grub.d/40 custom file, and after that need to run sudo update-grub. For computer, which has UEFI in use, /etc/grub.d/40 custom entry for FreeBSD goes the next way. An example FreeBSD on partition /dev/SDA as ADA0P2. Menuentry, FreeBSD. Insmod /2. Set root equals HD0GPT2. Chainloader /boot /loader.efi. In the FreeBSD I made an example how to make a failsafe xorg.conf file, if installed video driver not work, and login window does not start, or no graphical desktop does not start. Because I could not made the video via TTY command line, I made an examples via graphical desktop. Anyway, the commands are the same. At first need to know that which mode computer has booted. The next command tells sys_matchdep.boot method. If answer is UEFI, then need to use SCFB driver, else need to use VESA driver. To make xorg.conf as root file goes. One. Run xorg configure. If X server is active, you get an error message, so you need to select another X, etc. xorg:1 configure. It makes a /root/xorg.conf.new file, so you need to edit that file first by replacing to the device sections driver from some driver to SCFB. If using legacy BIOS mode, then device sections driver from some driver to VESA. Two. Save the file and copy it as xorg.conf to /etc/x11. cp/root/xorg.conf/etc/x11/xorg.conf. You can check that the file is in /etc/x11. cat/etc/x11/xorg.conf. Free. Reboot and see what happens.